Okay, so I'm covering the thigh. These are permanent magnets, and I'm covering the thigh with coils. And see, I have them linked up and linear solid on it. So we'll move out. Remember that this is iron magnets, permanent magnets, and it wraps around the leg, the thigh, and that's like manacles, like cuffs, like braces, leg braces. So they do like the movie Accurate product or machine. So that's what I'm doing right now. This bends to the flex. It also folds out. So I left a little space there. I'm going to tape it up and then glue the edges so I can tighten every part in exchange of this part. And then I'm going to rip that off and then glue that part up so it stays solid onto here and allow it to flex. So I placed it on fabric, another material, rubber, and leather, and that's how it's going to be. Okay, I'm going to take a break, come back and spun the rest around here. See how I have it. All the way around to the inside to enable it to curve. These are permanent magnets that I have in here. So I gotta finish the other. There's some of the helix coiled, and I have to apply the glue to tighten that part up where the tape is not. Okay, and tighten those parts up so it'll come apart, and then release the tape to tighten that part up. And allowing the joint parts to be able to spin together. This is the joint area for the turning of that. This is to operate like a manacle, a cuff, body cuff. This is the thigh part, and probably put brackets here for the guide to actuate the kneecap and the following. Telescopic or interceptive. Continue with the hip biaxial ROM and use the hip biaxial ROM of the Orthosis alongside the exterior. So we have the platform to lay down the permanent magnets and the hip biaxial ROM to straight down there. I guess that's it. Okay, so this was previously the permanent magnet thigh. As you see, I've wrapped it in iron the copper coil. This is one wrapping, and what I'm gonna do is glue the edges. Like I said, glue the edges and take off the tape, and then use a finishing of aluminum tape, conductive tape, and I'll probably put iron wire first before the conductive tape, and then I'm gonna overlay it with another linear solenoid so it can collapse into the following. Then I'm going to apply the aluminum tape, and I'm gonna do it again, and like 3 times, and that'll be it. So, and then I gotta put I guess this is dual jointed kneecap, so it can shift up and block the frontal. So this is going to be dual jointed, a joint down here and a joint up here. And this is going to be like a linear motor, so I'm going to force the kneecap over and force the shin over. And to connect together like manacles. So this is the inside of it. It's very heavy, it's permanent magnets, and it's with coil on it. So obviously I will lift in a linear to actuate the magnets and move upwardly. So this being my thigh, and manacles is like cuffs. So this is supposed to like slam in and just turn around through the electromagnetic field and bond together in a solenoid hold. So I'm gonna make a locking mechanism in order for like steel to allow it to curve around the curvature and connect together like a Hall effect and to actuate upwardly. So this being a thigh to move the upward direction. So you say how I'm going to bend the coil and all that. See, it was easy to do that. And I'll finish the rest of the armor. And this is just, it's not even 200, this is not even 250 turns yet. And this is 16 gauge. It's not even 250 turns. Imagine how strong this motor is to move these permanent magnets. And that's what we use current for a typical motor in copper wire and iron. Obviously, there's 310 iron in here. Gauge of a permanent magnet. There's iron in there, so we're magnetizing and increase the permanent magnet Newton's force and energy. So I'm still gonna be I want to continue to make the electrics by making frames. All right, so I could put the polyo. I tell you about that too. The flux density to make another Hall effect to synchronize the inductor coil. So other than the permanent magnets, which have to be shifted, but making electrics, it will automatically auto charge. So to reduce the weight of its gravity. My name is Jermaine Morton, and I'll be back. Goodbye.